Hi, my name is Nadia and welcome on my channel. It's 5 minutes about Scrum Life, and I want to talk with you today about agile estimation techniques. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you see value and my videos useful, and subscribe for more content like this. Agile estimation techniques are important for planning and managing work in agile projects effectively. This helps team understand the effort, complexity, and time required to complete different tasks or user stories. I want to share with you overview of several popular agile estimation techniques that foster collaboration and provide a more accurate understanding of the project scope. First one is story points. Story points are a unit of measure for expressing an estimate of the overall effort that will be required to fully implement a product backlog item or any other piece of work. When using story points, teams estimate the effort required for each task not in hours or days, but in a relative unit of measure. The values are often aligned using a Fibonacci number like sequence 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, etc., to reflect the uncertainty in largest items. From benefits, we can see that we are encouraging relative estimation and avoids anchoring to specific time duration. Factors in the complexity, amount of work, and risk or uncertainty. Second one, we have planning poker. Or Scrum Poker is a consensus-based technique for estimating, mostly used to estimate effort or relative size of development goals in software development. In playing poker, members of the group make estimates by playing numbers card face down to the table instead of speaking them aloud. The cards are then revealed and the estimates are then discussed and re-estimated until consensus is reached. We can promote team collaboration and consensus. We can prevent the influence of other participants' estimates on an individual estimate. Third is t-shirt sizing. In t-shirt sizing, tasks are classified in the size XS, extra small, small, medium, and large, XL, extra large, and sometimes XXL, extra large, to convey the complexity or size of a task. It's a more abstract method of estimation, often used in the early stage of project planning. From benefits, we can simplify the estimation process with easy to understand categories. It's useful for high-level estimation of large backlogs. Fourth, the bucket system. The bucket system, what is that? Is a fast and collaborative method for estimating large numbers of items in a short time. Items are placed into buckets representing different levels of effort or complexity. This is done in rounds, and items can be moved between the buckets as the team discusses and compares them. It's efficient for estimating a large backlog quickly. It also encourages relative comparison and discussion among team members. Fifth, it's dot voting. Dot voting is a simple technique where team members allocate a set number of dots, its votes, to the item they believe will require more effort or are of higher priority. This can be used in conjunction with other estimation methods to help prioritize work. From benefits, we can see quicken and engages the entire teams in the prioritization process. It can highlight which items the team feels are most uncertain or complex. 6 is affinity estimating. Affinity estimating is a technique used to quickly categorize a large numbers of items into groups similar to t-shirt sizing, based on their relative size. It's often used in the initial stages of project planning or when a team needs to estimate a backlog rapidly. From benefits, we can see fast and efficient for large backlogs, builds a shared understanding of the project scope and complexity among team members. To summarize, Choosing the right estimation techniques depends on the project requirements, team's familiarity with the tasks, and the level of detail needed for the estimates. It's often beneficial to use a combination of these techniques at different stages of the project. Remember, the goal of agile estimation is not to achieve perfect accuracy, but to facilitate better planning, foster collaboration, and make the process of dealing with uncertainty more manageable.